Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here with Kim today.
I'm back.
We love it. So today Kim is going to demonstrate how she's going to take a Spanish PDF, make it accessible, change her voice profile to Spanish, and get it to read to her. We already know that she can do insert down arrow and read really quickly, but what's confusing about newspapers is they are all in columns and they have a couple of paragraphs and they change subject matter really fast. So she is going to be using the command control down arrow to take total control of this document. Okay, Kimmy, we are in your File Explorer. You're on EMETM. Go ahead and hit enter and let's open this.
Enter. Edit. Type in text. Document. No links.
Okay.
EMETM 2020-0330 level B. EMETM underline 20.
Okay. Whenever you open a PDF, you absolutely want Infer Reading opened. We are going to do the hot command of, what was the command to get our Infer Reading?
5.
Yes, Shift-Control 5.
Change reading options of current document dialog. Change Infer reading order from document. Enter. Button to activate. Press space bar.
Okay.
Processing page 3 of 3. Progress bar 3%. EMETM 2020-0330 level B1. EMETM underline.
And visually, for those who are visual, that Infer Reading whips through very quickly. You saw a flash of a box and then it disappears. The blind kid doesn't need to see it. They just know they need to take a breath in between their Infer Reading in order to do it. The next step is we're going to Control L to put it into beautiful reader mode. So please do
Control L.
Okay. And we wait a couple seconds as it gets that process worked
El
in.
Mundo en plus 30 de Marzo document.
Okay. And last but not least, we go ahead and change our voice profile.
Select the voice profile dialog. Paulina Span.
El mundo en tus manos, de marzo. Noticias del mundo hispanohablante. El mundo en tus manos, edición 2019-2020. Una publicación de The Comprehensible Classroom Graphic 4. Graphic Chile y Bolivia suspenden las elecciones. Hay cuarentenas preventivas en ambos países a causa del coronavirus.
See?
Nice. Beautiful. Okay.
Select a voice.
Thank you, Kimmy. Okay, now to get out of the reader mode, we just hit escape and get out.
Escape.
Nice. Thanks, Kim, for your demonstration.
You're welcome.
Talk to you later.
All right. Bye.